Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft. Now I'm back today because I wanted to share with you this, which is from Scrapbookingcoach.com. Now I agreed to have this sent to me, and unfortunately it's not really available in the UK at the moment anyway, but I believe they have it on Create and Craft. Maybe it's once a month, I could be wrong on that. But it's definitely available for people in the USA, and I'll put the link underneath so you can have a look. But it's scrapbookingcoach.com. Now I don't scrapbook as such, but it does have beautiful papers and stuff, and obviously you can make other things. You don't just have to scrapbook with it. So I want to show it to you because it's so nice. It tells you sort of in here that you can log on. You can log in to find out how to use your kit. You can go on to Facebook. You can email them if you need any extra help. And first off, you get this beautiful box, which is really thick. You could use this to keep all your papers in, actually. So this one is called Nordic Nights, and you get this little design guide which can sort of help you, decide how to, give you some ideas of how to use your little kit. And also you can, like I say, you can make tags, there's cards, all sorts of things. So this one, you get these sort of alphabet stickers. You get this beautiful stencil, which I would say is about an 8x8 size, with all these lovely snowflakes. These stamps are beautiful. So you've got the most wonderful time of the year, 'tis the season for magic, from North Pole with love, let it snow, etc. And then this one is so cute. It has two little robins, little pine cone, love that hat. I think that's a bit of holly and some like music notes and little mittens. You also get these beautiful snowflake dies, some ribbon, lovely little sort of gems. Now these papers are beautiful. I'm going to show you these. So you get two of each design, and they're double-sided. That is so pretty. And obviously that's got sort of, like, for example, all bundled up, so much fun. Snow much fun. So you can use the bottom as well. So you get two sheets of each. Look at these beautiful snowflakes. And then the reverse of that. This one's like music notes. That's the other one, yes. So this one is beautiful. It's got all these lovely birds, sort of pink and reds. And then on the back you have little tags and stuff. There's them two little robins. This one's beautiful as well. On the reverse, it's like sort of trees. This is lovely, like a sort of barn. And again, you could cut the bottoms off, use them. It's a sort of tartan on the back. And then this one, it's got so much fun, all the same little sort of sentiments along the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? That is such nice paper. Absolutely love this, and it's such nice quality as well. So I'll put the links for it underneath, and then I'm gonna show you a few things that I've made with it. So if you bear with us, I'll get them. Okay, so I want to show you what I made with some of this beautiful kit. So I made these really easy, simple little Christmas cards, and I used some of the little sentiments from it and the patterned paper. Obviously the card was mine, and I used a little gel pen around, but I love these little sentiments. They are so cute. They were really easy to make, and I made this, which is completely different, but it's much more of an elegant one. So I just took a bit of Distress Oxide blue ink, and then I cut the little snowflakes out of some mirror card and just popped that up on a little dimensional. And one of the sentiments, let it snow, and I think that's so simple, but it's really elegant, so I love that. And then I think this is my favourite. I made a little tag, so I used the stencil and just stenciled some of the snowflakes on, just got a tag die, cut it out, stamped the sentiment again, and the little hat, I just fussy cut that out and coloured that in with a bit of red marker. So on the ribbon, I used the ribbon as well, but beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I have to say as well that these stamps, they really are good quality. They stamp straight away first time. Love the sentiments in it as well. But yeah, that's the stencil. You get some lovely little snowflakes, and it's a really good quality as well. Really thick. But yes, there we go. So scrapbookingcoach.com. I will put the link below, and if you want to check them out, you can do so. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.